Okay guys, so you're probably like, what am I doing? Well, I am playing Bloxburg and I'm at my house. So I'm gonna show you guys what my house looks like. It's not complete, but I already started it. This is the outside. This is the outside. This is what it looks like above. That's my house, and then that's my backyard. So now let me show you inside. First, let me go through the garage. Yes, I have a garage because I have a garden. Okay. Close you. Let's turn it on. Okay, so this is my garage. I have a car, and if I have anybody over, here's another car for them. Here is my dining room. So when you go into the garage, you come out, and then you have to go here, and here's the dining room. And a light switch. I'm not using that room, so I'm gonna turn it off. And then you go into the living room. I got my TV, got a candle, which literally lights up almost the whole room. See? Well, it's good if you like watching TV or something. And then here is the kitchen. I got 2 ovens, 2 sinks, counter space by a lot. I got a dish drainer, a toaster, a microwave, and a blender. And I got a bookshelf. And there's no secrets to that one. Here we have is my door, of course, and then a stroller for the baby, if I have any kids. Here, I don't know why that door's open, but here is my bathroom, the kids' bathroom. It's just simple with a toilet, a sink, and a shower. But as soon as I get more money, I'm gonna have like a tub like I have in my room, and you probably don't know what that looks like, so let's go in. I have a closet, it's huge, a makeup, and then I got closet, I got this, and then I got, like, I can sleep. I should make my bed though. Okay, so let's make the bed. And I'm hungry, so let's eat something. Take a quick meal. Let's take a carrot. So just need to eat. So it's only at 15. But it's okay because I don't really worry about hunger. I want a tub and a shower like I have in my room, in my bathroom. And this is what my bathroom looks like. There's a toilet over here, an amazing shower, a sink, and a tub. I like it because you can close and open the door. Turn off the light. In this room, I have a lot of rooms. But my house and my baby room is not complete. So don't think that it is, because it is not. And you're probably wondering, well, you have a closet, you have a bathroom, you have a bedroom. What's that room? Well, I'm so glad you asked, because that room is the baby's room. So I didn't have that much money, so I just put square windows and curtains like this, and we have a lamp in the middle of the way, and we got a light up there. This is the baby's room. So we got the changing table, the bathroom, and where you sleep, of course, and all of the toys. I decided to put it on here because it's more organized, neat, and amazing. And then this, I have a little bear that I can play with. That's the baby's room. It's not, well, it kind of is complete. I wish I had more toys, but there's no more like toys. Wait, is the lights? The lights is still on, and I actually don't have a thing where I can turn off the lights, so I'm gonna have to go. And I couldn't put one on the ceiling. I was trying to, cause I had enough money, but I couldn't do it. But guys, make sure you guys like, subscribe, and turn on that post notification bell in 5 seconds. Ready? Well, actually, when I go out of that door. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Okay, if you guys did it in that time, make sure comment down below. Comment down below Bloxburg. Okay, let's get out of the room. And now, the last and final room, almost, is the kids' room. We have a baby and it's all, and now we're kids. So we had a huge bear. We got 2 big minks. They wouldn't let me set it on the table, so now they're not even on the table. And we got a lava lamp, which is really cool. We got clothes and a watch TV area and books and bed. That's the kids' room. Yeah, I was hoping that it would turn off the light. And let's turn off the lava lamp and let's leave the room. And now I just started doing the garage, so the garage doesn't have that much done to it. It's just like nothing. So yeah. Now open and now let's close it. Okay, so this is the garage. They're like it's a what is it called? I don't know, but comment down below what is it called. I do have a garage though. It's over there. Right here. That's my garage. It's pretty big actually. This is my backyard. I got a nice pool. And then we got a diving board. We got a shrimp around it. We got a trampoline. We got a swing set. I love the colors of the swing set. Now let's show you guys the shed. It's called a shed. Okay, we got gasoline with no lawnmower, and I think this is like paperwork or something. But I have no clue what it is, and it's okay. But I'm gonna leave it. Okay, now it's turning daytime, or is it? No, I think it's turning daytime. So let's go to work. It's kind of an old vibe car, but yeah. Okay, all of the lights are off, which means I'm not wasting electricity. Nobody wants their light on when they're not even in the house. That just don't make sense. Close, and we gotta run out. Well, not run, just go out fast. Okay. Right now, I'm driving to the place where I work at. So I don't work here because I would be parking over there. Their cars are actually really, really cool. But no, I literally can't even get into a parking spot. I hope I can do it in real life. When I'm an adult, but I'm a kid right now, so I don't even have to worry about it. What am I doing? Driving in... Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Okay, let's turn around. Okay, so then it's easier to go out when I gotta go out. Okay, there we go. I was trying to park like her, but it's too much work. So now let's get out and let's work. So I work over here, but I can't find a parking spot, so I just walk over. And I am bored. But this is my outfit. I have a backpack because when I was a kid, I would, use it, but now I'm not a kid, and I don't want to waste my money, so I'm just gonna leave it on. Sounds like a work bag. Wait, do I have to go over there? Oh, yeah, I do. I probably do. So yeah, let's go over there. Wait, it better be over here. Is it? Yes. Do you work, sir? Then I hope you can afford your own pizza. And go to the pizza place. It's literally right over there. And I'm not driving like in real life. Don't worry, I would actually stop. But the lights take an hour. And I would not drive inside like that girl is doing in real life. But I do it because it's easier. Okay, so every time I have to go over there, this is what I do. Oh yeah! And I'm pretty sure that's my dude. Well, not my dude, but like, I actually always try to work at a hair salon, but it's way too hard for me. Even though in real life I want to do hair when I grow up. Yeah, but I usually work. But for one pizza in real life, it's also not. See, it says no parking. If you park here, you are in mad trouble, though. But seriously, in real life, I don't think you get 300 something for delivering pizzas. And everybody says that I have where you can get more money for it, but I don't. See, I think you go into settings. Nope. Nope. Yeah, it's in here. Do I have that? No, I do not. I do not get more money. And I don't have any of these Robux. So I only have, and out of the game, I only have one. Are you a policeman? Oh no, you're just a random dude who came from the gym. Are you tired out? Is that why you need a pizza? Eh. But I'm just gonna play the game in quiet. And be quiet. What are you doing? Writing all over something? That's just rude. Okay, pizza shop. Boom. So guys, as you know, I said I would show my face in this video, and I am. But guys, make sure you guys go follow my TikTok account. It is okay. So I'm gonna tell you one. I have two, but I don't know what the other name is. Okay, ready? Play with fun things. The name is Play with Fun Things. Again, it is Play with Fun Things with no spaces. If you guys have TikTok, you guys can go follow it. And yeah, I do fidget things. Ready? This is what I like to do. Go close and I spam it so I don't have to stop. Yeah, my house, I like it pink because it stands out the most. But you know what I don't like? How slow these go. These bikes. But I guess I'm happy that I'm working. Not sad. I'm mad. I'm happy. Okay, so I gotta get back to the pizza shop. I might be able to deliver 2 more pizzas before I end the video. So yes, let's go. Probably wondering why am I going this way? I'm not. I'm going this way. Because that's where it is. Oh, I just curved in like real tight. But my house is down there, not over there. Over there on the other side. I was gonna mine, but then I couldn't because I don't know what it is. I forgot. I used to always mine, but now I don't. Because I get way more money. Like, look, I delivered 2 to 3, and I already am gonna be getting 1,300, and I need the money. So yeah, in 4 minutes, I'm gonna work for 4 more minutes. Even though I can't film for 4 more minutes, I am gonna be promoted, and then I'm gonna hurry up. Well, you can't hurry up and then deliver a pizza unless it's like right next to you. Didn't I just deliver a pizza that was like this close? Or like right here? Stop! I don't like when I move and I'm trying to give the pizza away, but no, I can't. And it's annoying because I want to, but the rest of the video, it's gonna be quiet for 2 more minutes. Fantastic, of course. I said I might be able to deliver 2 pizzas, but I don't know anymore. I might be able to only deliver like none. Okay, guys. But I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I hope to see you all next time. Bye. Have a great rest of your day.